Jolly old Saint Lakagoose and Bongal the Queen. Hang up your stockings, Puru. Okay. Look what Santa brought me. It's the Hoka One One's stability shoe. Take a look. It's Gaviota 2. All right. We'll take a closer look at these bad boys. We'll talk about the details. That's right. My name is Lando Q, and welcome to this video. And just so you know, this is not a sponsored video. Let's do it. Woo! Okay, here we go. Let's take a look at this. It is the box of Hoka One One. Here you go. Let's check it out. It's Gaviota 2. Okay. Let's open the box. Here we go. Sa mga naghahanap ng running shoes with extra cushion plush ride together with stability combined, ito yung Gaviota 2. It's a premium stability shoe from Hoka One One. Yung upper design is more breathable. So, yung hangin, pumapasok para preskong-presko po habang tumatakbo kayo. It's so comfortable, ang sarap sa paa nito. Ito naman ang J-frame technology, which is a higher density foam para sa suportang kailangan ng ating mga paa habang tumatakbo. And of course, I like the design. Kitang-kita niyo po yung parang ibon po. Yan po ang symbol ng Hoka One One. And of course, yung brand name niya, nakaukit po siya na parang 3-dimensional. Ganda! I've got the Rio Red. It's beautiful. Although this is not my preferred color. I like the seaport color better. Unfortunately, it's not available here in the Philippines when I bought my pair of Gaviota 2. Yung bigat ay 10.6 ounces or 301 grams for men. It has 5 millimeters offset, 29 millimeters in the heel, 24 millimeters going down to the forefoot. Para sa akin, ang Gaviota 2 is a good choice kung ang hanap nyo ay stability and extra cushion. Love it! Good for longer runs. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more videos like this and the little bell icon to be notified on the next video. Maraming salamat!